Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel, quality videos, lowest prices. And today we're going to do a deep dive into the icon portion of the parking lot sale coming up in January. That way we know, the Harbros know what's available, what we can get, and what the price is. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and or subscribing and hyping. And let's just get into it. Start off with parking lot sale January. Not officially confirmed, but it's most likely. And we have 5 banners. Normally there's only 4, but one's a super heavy hitter. In this case, there's no super heavy hitters, but we'll go over them one by one. But today, we're going to start off with, can't zoom in all the way, the Icon 30% off all Icon hammers, pry bars, and hex key sets. That way the Harbros can plan and maybe see what they have and don't have, and then they can get it. So 30% off all Icon hammers, pry bars, and hex key sets. And let's start off with hammers. This is the new Icon 40 ounce. They didn't have a 40 ounce version before. Ball peen dead blow hammer. And they have 4 dead blow hammers in the 40 ounce, 32 ounce, 24 ounce, 16 ounce. And of course, the 40 ounce is going to be the most pricey. Icon ball peen dead blow hammer delivers solid strikes while reducing rebound. Tough polyurethane material is resistant to most shop chemicals. And of the Harbors who have any of the Icon ball peen dead blow hammers, which ones do you have and how have you liked them? We all know, of course, lifetime warranty, which is huge to have, easy returns and exchange at Harbor Freight. And this just came out, so there won't be any price history, but $65 is the starting price, and at 30% off, get it down to 45 bucks, or saving essentially almost $20 on the new 40 ounce Icon. And for a brand new item, getting a discount like this is not heard of. So that's the 40 ounce. Not going to be too much difference between the rest of them besides the size. So now we're looking at the 32 ounce down to $54.99. And this one, we will take a look at the price history because this has been around a bit more, and we want to make sure that Harbor Freight isn't pulling a quick one on us. And at first glance, this is good. Already showing the 8% drop, but we'll check it out. It's actually not too much history on the 32 ounce. Looks like it came out October 2022, 55 bucks, went up in price that year, but has gone down in price last November. So over a year ago, November 2024, down to $55, which is great. And actually doesn't show much of a sale. Only sale it shows was this past August. Got down to $45, which matches. So 45 bucks is lowest price. But let's find out at $55 and at 30% off, getting out to $38.50. So excellent deal. Better than any of the deals that the tracker's been tracking by about $7. So that's for the 32 ounce. And let's go to the 24 ounce. Currently an ITC deal, 22% off. $45 reduces rebound. Steel face can be used for metal forming. Iconic Icon grip. And the Icon is also showing that it's gone down in price. Came out 2023 March at 50 bucks. Been at $45 since last November, over a year ago. Did have a regular coupon in September down to $35.99. So that'll be our gauge. And at $45, 30% off, getting down to $31.50. So same thing, lower than any of the sales that it's been. Going on to the 16 ounce ball peen dead blow hammer, $35. All of these will be lifetime warranty. This is the 16 ounce, a little bit smaller. Nice identification right there on the head of the hammer. And same, showing that it's gone down in price, 13%. So that's always great to see. Started off at 45 bucks, went down to 40 bucks in 2023. As of 2024, down to $35. One sale down to $29.99. So that'll again will be our marker. At 35 bucks at 30% off. $24.50. So about $10 savings. Just over $10 savings. Excellent deals to pick up some ball peen dead blow hammers. Which ones of these do you have? And or which one of these are you planning on getting? 30%. It's great. Across the board for the ball peen, lower than the lowest price that it shows on the tracker. Next, the soft face dead blow hammer. Now these aren't new, but we got the 48 ounce, the 32 ounce, the 24 ounce, and the 16 ounce. Of course, we'll start off with the 48 ounce. at $33. Also showing all these hammers, maybe they've gone down in price. Also showing a reduction in price. Same time last year, November, got down as low as 33 bucks. One sale down to 29.99 for the 48 ounce soft face dead blow hammer. So 30 bucks is going to be our gauge. I mean, not much lower than what it currently is. So 30% off is clearly going to be a way better deal. Get us down to 23 bucks. And of course, everyone needs a soft face dead blow hammer. And here we are, at least for the 48 ounce, which is nuts, 23 bucks, Icon. And we will, of course, just verify the warranty on it. But we know lifetime warranty, free from defects in material and workmanship. It's a beautiful thing to have. So that's the 48 ounce going to the 32 ounce at 28 bucks. And I'm pretty sure we're going to see the exact same thing, reduction in price last November. I did not know this. Got down to 28 bucks and a couple sales down to $25. So that's our gauge. And of course, we're going to beat that as well at 28 bucks and at 30% off. Going to get down to sub 20 bucks, sub $20 for an Icon lifetime warranty, 32 ounce soft face dead blow hammer. So excellent deal. And I feel like that's going to be the case across the board here. We have the 24 ounce soft face dead blow hammer. Beautiful markings, 23 bucks, but we'll keep doing the same. Also showing decrease in price, also around the same time, 23 bucks. So that's good to see. No deals on this one. So this is the current and lowest price that it's at for the 24 ounce soft face dead blow hammer. So any reduction here is going to be a great deal. And we're going to get for $16 for the 24 ounce soft face dead blow hammer, $16.10. I don't know if that'll be the most popular one, but that's insane. That's a crazy deal for a hammer, quality one like Icon. And then of course we'll look at the 16 ounce soft face dead blow hammer, non-sparking, resistant to most shop chemicals. Here it is at 20 bucks. And same thing, this one had a pretty huge reduction. At 25 bucks has gone down to 20 bucks in 2023 and has stayed there. No deals. One of the Harbros, correct me if you've seen one, but according to the tracker, no deals. So again, any percentage off here is going to be excellent. So 20 bucks. We don't have to do the math really, but we're going to get down to $14. This is similar to the 30% off if anything $20 and under, which actually is still going on and actually would have qualified at $19.99. So this one, not as crazy of a deal because it's already going on right now. But still, at least you'll have another chance at it if you didn't do it this weekend. So those are the hammers. Who's picking up some hammers? Next, we'll look at the pry bars. Now, when I first posted the video about a week ago on the parking lot sale, there's a few people who commented, and it makes sense. It says all Icon pry bars, and they show one in the picture. But of course, as we look it up, Icon only has one pry bar, the 58-inch professional pry bar with curved tip. Tomato, 100 bucks. There was a flash sale on this within the last 12 months. And this was during the 10 days of deals back in September. They had it $30 off, so 30% off, which at the time was a great deal. And it looks like that's continuing. It's going to be 30% off. So it'll be the lowest price that we've seen it there. I think then we did a deep dive, but we'll check it out again. It shows a 33% drop in price. It used to be $150 back in July, but it looks like right away they fixed it down to $99. So that's just a mistake. So it's 99 bucks basically its whole time that it's been out, and then a couple of deals, ITC coupons down to 85 bucks earlier this year. But this is going to be down to the flash sale price, $69.99. Very nice price if you ask me. Heavy duty pry bar has a hardened and tempered alloy steel shaft with a curved blade for added prying power. And of course, as we know, Icon has lifetime warranty. So beautiful to know. And look at here, they're using it with the ball peen hammer, the 32 ounce. Great to know. Great grip. So excellent deal on the pry bar, the one pry bar. And then we will look at the hex key sets, anything that Icon has that is listed as a hex key set, because the ad says all Icon hex key sets. So I'm not being provocative. Here we have the SAE and or metric color-coded L-shaped ball and hex key sets. The metric is a 13-piece. The SAE is a 13 piece, $21.99, just outside the 30% threshold for this weekend sale, which is not beautiful, but beautiful in this case that it'll be on sale and it'll be 30% off. Get it down to $15.40. And to just keep with our pattern of checking the price history, this one has dropped in price as of June of this year. It had gone up as of last November to $25, but back down to $21.99, which is what it was at back in May of 2023. One sale down to $18, one ITC down to $17. But of course, with 30% off, get it down to $15.40. Excellent deal. Next, we have the Icon Metric L-shaped ball end hex set, 13 piece, also an SAE or metric, also both $22, both 13 pieces, and it's going to be the same discount, $22 at 30% off, down to $15.40. So good choices for the end hex key sets. Then the ones that they are showing in the picture, we have the high torque T-handle hex key sets, starting with the SAE Professional High Torque T-handle hex key set. Comes with a nice carrying case, 11 piece, $45. And this also shows, surprisingly, another discount in price, that it's gone down in price as of October of this year, down to $45, was up to $47, but then went back to normal at $45. A couple of deals at $35 for ITC back in 2024 at $35, which is pretty great. But let's see how it compares at $45 and at 30% off. Gonna get it down to $31.50. So save almost $14. So great deal on this SAE 11 piece high torque handle hex key set. Looking at the metric, it's $40. It's only an 8 piece, but it's in a beautiful icon blue and well marked, well designed at $40. And we'll look this one up as well. It's also showing a decrease in price as of October of this year, down to $40. Was at 43, but back down to 40. ITC deals had it down to as low as $30, which again is an excellent deal. That'll be what we gauge. So at $40, 30% off, getting it down. That ITC deal was really good, but this gets it even lower, down to $28. Of course, compared to Snap-on, $28. So great deal. And then the last of the high torque T-handle torque sets, the 8 piece. This is the Torx key set in a very nice green. Beautiful tool to have at $40. And of course, we will check this one as well. Does show also a decrease in price, down to $40 after a slight increase. Lowest price it's showing was also $30. That'll be our gauge. But of course, at $40, it's going to be the same discount, 30%, as the previous one. So $28 after the 30% off, getting it lower than the prices, the deals that it's been at according to the tracker. So excellent deals on the Icon hex sets, these other L-shaped hex sets, the pry bar, and then all the hammers. What are the Harbros going to pick up? Some steal of a deals here for the Icon portion, but I'll leave it at that. Let me know which one of these you're going to pick up, which one of these you have and that you've used, and let the other Harbros know. Appreciate all the feedback. And as always, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and or subscribing. We're getting close to Happy New Year. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your